Hello, today we're going to go over how to install the ShareMyStars code into the head tag of your SquareSpace website. So we're on SquareSpace, and all you're going to do is you're going to navigate to Pages, and then you're going to scroll down, you're going to look for Utilities, and you're going to look for Website Tools, and then we're going to look for Code Injection. And you're going to see a header section. So just copy and paste the code that we provided you in the app. There's two square boxes that are sitting on top of each other. That is a copy and paste button. So you can just click that button, come over to Squarespace, and copy and paste the code into the header. Then you're going to just click Save, which is up at the top left-hand corner, and you'll be good to go. Now it's done. Easy. Have fun. Thank you so much.